This happens every day, but nobody notices. Your home is subtly preparing for its next chapter. Life changes constantly, often bringing new, unexpected challenges. Are your home organization systems ready for this? We rarely consider future needs when organizing. This oversight leads to immense stress later. Today, we'll future-proof your home organization methods. Imagine your future self facing a big move, or perhaps welcoming a new family member home. What items will truly serve them effectively then? This mindset shift is incredibly powerful for change. It transforms decluttering into thoughtful, proactive preparation. Ask, would my future self thank me for this item? Embrace Swedish death cleaning principles starting today. Static organization fails quickly with major life changes. Opt for modular, flexible storage solutions instead always. Think IKEA KALLAX or ELVARLI systems for adaptability. These adjust easily to evolving storage needs over time. Vertical space is your best friend in any home. Use stackable bins or adjustable shelving for versatility. Prioritize items that serve multiple purposes effectively in your home. Physical items aren't your only organizational concern. Digital organization is crucial for future readiness always. Create a comprehensive home inventory digitally today. Use apps like Sortly or HomeZada for detailed records. Photograph valuables, note purchase dates and values carefully. This helps insurance claims or estate planning immensely. Share access with trusted family members for convenience. Revisit the classic one-year rule with a twist. If you haven't used it, it likely won't serve. Now, consider your next life stage as well. Will this item be truly useful in 5 years? Will this item be truly useful in 5 years? Donate items you no longer genuinely love or need. This prevents accumulating future burdens effectively now. Prepare a dedicated transition box proactively and smartly. Fill it with essentials for immediate life changes or moves. Think important documents, small toolkit, basic toiletries. This small box offers immense peace of mind instantly. It reduces stress during unexpected moves or events significantly. Access, future-proofing your home organization, prevents future overwhelm.
It empowers you for life's inevitable, unpredictable twists.
Start small, be consistent, and enjoy profound peace. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations and smart organization tips.